lip color, and then I'm wearing this sweater. I'm gonna be going soon with my friends. We're gonna go bowling. The original place we wanted to go closes early and the times just won't work, so we're gonna go to another place. But I did clean the inside of my car. I gotta fully vacuum it another day. I'm gonna get that Instagram photo up, and then I might, if I have time, edit, upload, or I'll do it before my work shift tomorrow. Alright, you guys, I'm all ready for the day. I just did some simple makeup, foundation, powder, blush, a bit of highlighter, simple eye makeup, mascara, and then I'll put a lip on later and put my hair in braids here and keep it down. For my outfit, I'm wearing my flannel from Costco, this super nice red one, this black shirt from Mardines, and then some black jeans. So the plan right now is I did a workout. I did a Sarah's Day workout. I want to do more of those, honestly, and do a week of trying to do her workouts. I think that would be fun. I took a shower, had some lunch. I'm now going to go edit, upload a video. We'll see if I can vacuum my car, or if not, just wipe it down and then upload a photo. And then I'll be hanging out with my friend. 3:52. I did quite a bit of work today, but I have a lot more to do tomorrow. But I want to show you guys some stuff I got. I've had these, like, my other black boots. I've shown them in a few videos, like outfit styling videos, and the sole was getting kind of like worn, so that it was like you could slip a lot more. So these are from Aldo. They have a bit of a heel, but they're like comfortable. I have another pair where like you wear them and they're not very comfortable. And some shrimp, and I topped it with chili flakes, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, a bit of lemon juice, and some pepper flakes. So I'm gonna eat this, then I have to actually go drop my uniform at my old work off. Then I'll come home, edit, upload a video, uploading a photo to Instagram, checking some emails, and then I'm gonna hang out with a friend tonight. So yeah, pretty busy day. Black pants, they have a site, so I'll link it down below, but they're super cute. They're super comfortable, flowy, lightweight. You can wear these to a lounge around, or I sometimes wear it to sleep because they're super lightweight and not heavy, so I can wear these anytime. The red pair I'm wearing with all these patterns, so I'm gonna link them down below. They have skirts and a bunch of different pants.